environmental group is asking the state Supreme Court to decide a legal fight over a body of water in the east. It's pitting people in Beaufort County against a local mine owner. 9 News Sign's Ariana Kraft looks at the case and what has people concerned about their nearby creek.
Some things people enjoy about eastern North Carolina are the various bodies of water for fishing or recreational activities. But one creek in the east is at the center of an ongoing court battle. Some experts believe Blounts Creek is more than 20,000 years old.
It's one of the very few, if not the only, fairly lengthy navigable creek that is so diverse in different species.
Martin Marietta wants to discharge up to 12 million gallons of wastewater per day from a proposed limestone mine.
The mine site where it will be, if it happens, is probably no more than maybe 3 miles up the creek.
For years, the Southern Environmental Law Center and Sound Rivers have fought Martin Marietta in court to protect the creek.
They'll rule either in favor of Martin Marietta or they'll rule in favor of SELC and Sound Rivers. Martin Marietta will appeal it or SELC will appeal it. We go to the next court and they flip-flop. Then if they ruled in favor of SELC, the next court will rule in favor of Martin Marietta. And back and forth.
Now the case is before the state Supreme Court. 9 on Your Side has reached out to Martin Marietta for comment. The company has yet to respond. In previous court documents, the company's lawyers argued the discharge would have little effect on erosion or salt content in the creek. But they also admit the discharge would likely change the acidity of the creek and lose many of the fish species it holds. That's a concern for people living near the creek and environmental groups.
Dumping 12 million gallons of water a day into the creek, it won't have a chance to go back to what has been its normal for the last 20,000 years.
Right now, it is unclear when the case will go before the state Supreme Court. Ariana Kraft, 9 on Your Side.